Welcome, beautiful people around the world. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Yuki, and I hope you're loving yourself as much as I love you all. I really hope so, because today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be showing some of the charts of Bitcoin and Matic, to the coins I'm actually invested into. And also, we're going to be talking about the Game Awards that are going to be happening on December 15th as well, on where you can vote and where you can actually, watch it as well. I'll probably be not co-streaming, but I'll probably be hosting my own stream about the Game Awards as well, and giving you my opinions, my thoughts about the certain games that they're going to be out. Obviously, some of the new games that we're probably going to be seeing during this event as well. So I'm super excited about it. This is definitely an exciting thing for people that are in this space of blockchain, GameFi, anything around crypto gaming in general and stuff like that. Obviously has a bad niche where a lot of people think it is, but obviously, people are building a really defined, metric around the space to make it more profitable, or even just less scammy, I guess I would say, because you are investing in these products, and hopefully that you can make a return out of it as well. So hopefully the returns look good, but also the gameplay and everything like that, and the philosophy of the companies are also good as well. So we're going to be talking about the news as well at the end of the video. But anyway, we're going to jump into the charts here, and we're going to show you some of the charts that I actually been trading on these past couple days. Here we're on the 5-minute chart. It's probably not the best metric to do your own charting, or just like learning how to do a TA or anything like that. It's definitely not the safest, I guess I would say. I have lost money obviously from doing it as well, but but I have been learning, right? In these past couple days, you can kind of see that I have some charting. You can actually look up some charts if you guys don't know like how to read a chart or anything like that, and you can look it up online, and it definitely will tell you like where the trend usually tends to go. So this is something that I'm looking at. Obviously I made a little bit of money here. I lost money as well. So again, you don't always go off by that as well. So it just depends on how you are going to do your TA as well. But as we see here, Bitcoin is kind of like trending up right now. This is 6 o'clock, about 7 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So it could automatically just go up parabolically and just definitely go up in the upside, or it could even trend down as well. So I would see a level right here would be 16.3 if it does drop down for the local range, but definitely could go past. It could definitely be tested near the 16.7 as well. So definitely these two ranges, we're probably going to see a lot of sideways movement, but probably going to be trending down just because we had this huge relief. But also we have the FOMC meeting as well. We definitely have that coming out in December as well. So we could definitely see a huge pump into Bitcoin in the next several weeks, even heading into this next month as well. So definitely look out for that as well if you're invested and you're going to be, putting your money in. I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research in that. And just researching, learning, understanding, and everything like that, and the tokens that you're going to be putting into. But that's kind of where I see where that's going at with Bitcoin, as well as Matic. The same thing as well. Obviously, it dropped heavily from its big pump just recently, but it's not as bad. I would say again, it still followed the trend, right? The trend's your friend to the end type of deal. I did, however, put this on the daily chart as well, that we're actually kind of like in this I want to say it's a bullish pennant, I guess I would say. Don't quote me. I mean, you can let me know in the comments below, because I'm not obviously an expert TA, but I'm learning, I'm understanding at how it's how to kind of read these graphs, and if I didn't have to look at a chart or something like that, so I'm learning. So I would say it's bullish, right? This is kind of bullish. It's still hitting this lower line here. It's still popping up. It's gonna, I think honestly, it's probably gonna break through this. But if we don't have any good news or anything great at all, obviously we could definitely see the downside of it for sure, because we're already touching it, right? We're already touching it, and so we're just bouncing off this to the upside until we can get that breakout. So, but definitely, I do see Matic, obviously long term, it to be really good investment. But obviously in the short term, we're gonna definitely see a little bit of a dip before we get into more of the upside. So again, that line is where I'm trending at right now. I do have a short going on here, so I'm definitely following this. Definitely could get me out of my short, which would be okay, because I'm planning for for them take me out. But also I'm hoping that my TA is right about it, that I do have a a length here that I was able to to draw, and to see that it's probably going to be hitting this near those 81 cents or 82 cents short term. So again, it may be different from you guys. They may have already hit it, may have not, who knows. But that's kind of where I see things go as there for the TA aspect of it. But anyway, we're going to be jumping over into the Game Awards. If you guys don't know, we had the Game Awards. It's something that I did talk about early in the video, but we have it. They released the list of nominees for its inaugural Game Awards, Game Rewards with a 3 at the end. So if you guys are looking for this as well, I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can go get the website and start voting. If you guys can all vote, the games already have their own sections and what games are available to vote for, but there are some sections there that you can actually fill in your own spot as well. And one of those, I think that if you guys want to vote me as the content creator for this year, I mean, it says best content creator, and obviously for me personally, I voted for myself. You vote. I voted for myself because I believe in myself, right? You don't have to vote for me, but that would be awesome if you guys did. But it is there, and obviously Game of the Year. This is pretty much almost very similar to the Game Awards. For Web 2, for casual games out there, gamers out there like that. But this is for the people that are in blockchain, GameFi, this sector of the space. And I'm really happy to have our own section, our own little event. It's not even little, it's a big event. So, this is our big event that we're going to have every year. So again, I really hope they kill it, and I hope that everything goes well. But again, hope you guys can vote for me the best content creator of the year. But yeah, they got some. You also see the juries as well. Definitely people that are in the space. They definitely have a lot of people that definitely know their stuff. So I'm excited to see what they choose as all these categories, especially the Game of the Year, which is obviously the biggest of the year, the award. But again, I'm excited. But let's get into one of the articles that we're going to be talking about here. It says, could win to earn be the foundation of Web3 esports adoptions? Something interesting because, I do see win to earn to be just a better way of, implementing to the public, right? You have play to earn, you have your, a kill to earn, which a game I just found out that you can kill to earn, you can watch to earn. Literally, pretty much, it feels like almost anything in this world that you're doing, you're going to be able to earn in this space. And that's so exciting because, again, we do so much of the stuff for free, right? We watch the movies, we watch TV shows, we work out, we do all this stuff like that, and be able to add income into all that stuff is really exciting. So I'm excited just to have the space grow even more. Obviously, I don't want it to be scammy, but I definitely want this space to grow and flourish, to be a very profitable for the players and for the people that are using it as well. So again, I'm excited. I'm excited to see where this goes. I think win to earn in the esports is huge. I think win to earn in general is could be a better model just for everything, like competitive, anything like that, because when you're playing regular games, you're obviously there to win, right? But you have people that maybe are not trying, so you're like, okay, well, I'm just in a lobby with people that aren't trying. It is Call of Duty and stuff like that, so you're just gonna expect to lose, right? Or or maybe you're trying your hardest and you just lost to like that one match or whatever, that 1 point, 1 kill, stuff like that. Like, I love games where the stakes are on the line, right? Stuff that that when you're jumping into it, that everyone's going to be trying, and that's something that's really exciting about this space that I really am excited about. So they said that everyone out there is trying to do the right thing, but not everyone is quite sure what the right thing is. They're trying everything, and in the few next years we'll know what the best is. So again, I do apologize about that, but yeah, no, seriously, the space is still growing, and it's growing in this bear market. It's it's trying its best to to get into its own lane, which is in its own lane, but it's also trying to build up the market, right? It's trying to hold it together. because without, I think honestly, in this next bear market or this next bull market, I definitely see gaming as probably gonna be the leaders, and definitely it shows in some of the metrics about the fundamentals, the philosophy of the companies that are behind it, the usage of these NFTs and everything like that. Like they're going to be the ones that are definitely going to be the forefronts into building this market back up to where it was. Obviously we don't care about FTX. I mean, for the people that have lost their money, I do apologize. That's unfortunate. Something that I didn't promote. I was actually interested into making an account on FTX, but never put money into it. So good thing I didn't. But if you obviously did, I do apologize, and that's unfortunate that you were able to put your money into something that, for me, I still have my money in Coinbase, and, still some of these days I'm just like, I'm unsure, but, I definitely have to get myself a ledger, a cold storage to hold my money off to the side. But they say that the problem is that they lose control. So Web 2 doesn't belong to Web 2 doesn't want to give it up, just like the gas industry doesn't want electric cars to be a thing. So again, it's very interesting because it's so true that these companies out there, they don't want to have other people I guess just be profitable. You know what I mean? Like, it's weird. It's like you want to be in control of your own money. You want to be in control of your own assets, right? You want to be able to have the best item in the game and be able to sell it on the marketplace and be able to make some money out of it, or even just accumulate by your winnings, right? So this space is definitely going to be giving the more power than players and gamers have ever before, being able to have their control of their own assets, of their own stuff that they earned in the game, or even just being able to win and be able to earn tokens to be able to cash out, for whatever method they're able to. But again, this is exciting, man. I'm excited about the future of this. So they also said that Chiefs win to earn leans towards gaming focus perspective. Again, this is definitely a highlight. I definitely keep saying this is something that I always say. My first thing that I see about gameplay and video games out there in general is that the gameplay has to be focused, man. Like you can make tokenomics, you can make all the stuff around it, but the gameplay isn't good, no one's gonna play it. If there's a good story to it, if there's a great story, obviously, I'm gonna be excited to put my money in it. But if there's not a great story or not great gameplay, I'm probably not going to play it, more likely. And the community is going to die off that as well. So, but as they say, win to earn, because that's how you build hype. You build the social media and create a narrative. You don't just earn just to push the button. You earn because you deserve it by winning. So again, I'm excited about that. I'm excited about everything about the win to earn, everything earned, but we don't know what the best method is until the next couple of years. But again, I think win to earn is definitely a big could be a big staple into making money for the players. So let's jump over into the next article, which I tend to do that. I don't know why I did that, but we have here, Phoenix Game raises $150 million for blockchain game publishing. Now, you guys think, yes, we're in a bear market, but again, when you see numbers like this is crazy. I'm telling you, this industry of gaming in general is crazy, and people are still investing into it even when we're going down, right? And we could head down. We could head down even more, and people are still going to invest into this. So again, it just shows you that people are still very excited about this space, and I'm excited about it as well. So they raised $150 million to create a new kind of publisher for blockchain games. So the idea is to create a publisher and platform company that plays a key role into bringing blockchain games to market. Phoenix Games plans to acquire and invest and publish both existing games and blockchain games of the future. So again, I'm excited about it, to see where they're going to go with games they're going to have and everything like that. Because again, we want more competition in the space. You want more companies that are going to try to shoot for the best games out there, because when companies are also out there trying to make the best game and they're not monopolizing everything, you're going to see the competition rises, and you're definitely going to see the best games being made. And you definitely see that over in Web 2 space as well. You definitely see those indie game companies out there definitely putting out better games than the AAA games. So again, not no knock to Call of Duty and everything, but things tend to trend that way. But but anyway, we got another article that says the NFT market space Magic Eden integrates with Polygon. So again, if you guys are invested in a Polygon, it's something that I'm really invested into. Polygon to grow blockchain gaming. Again, Polygon is going to be a big player into the blockchain space and already is in the big player in the space as well. So they're saying that we're excited to integrate with Polygon and continue our pursuit of a multi-chain future for Magic Eden. So again, by offering this integration, we are continuing to remove any chain specific barriers to and open NFTs to the masses. So again, great way for a Magic Eden to being able to be on Polygon. Definitely gonna have lower gas fees and definitely a huge community of people that are part of Polygon to be a part of it as well. So if you guys don't know, Polygon has over 37,000 decentralized apps. DApp is what they call it, DApps, and they have about 1.8 billion total transactions processed. So again, being on a platform that already is growing and growing massively, and also with a Nike partnership as well. Definitely, again, this space is growing. The Polygon is definitely killing it and could be definitely the king of Web3 as well. So again, that's all this news here that I got for you guys, but I appreciate you guys, all the support and love. I'll leave a link in the description down for the Game Awards if you guys want to check out and vote for me. You don't have to vote for me, obviously, but again, it has the option for the best content creator. If you guys want to vote for me for the blockchain gaming or anything like that. But anyway, yeah, you can also vote down there, obviously, for all the other games and that are listed into as well. So, but you hope you guys have a great day. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video for all the news and everything around the space. I hope we can stay united as one, rise up to every challenge, be ourselves and follow dreams, because I know you can do it. I love you all.
I hope you can stay united as one, rise up to every challenge, and be ourselves. I hope we can all follow our dreams, because I know you can do it.